Philippians 4:19, and God shall supply my need according to his riches in glory. Declare with me, I've been greatly provided for by God. I will not lack anything good in life. I will not lack money. I will not lack good health, for he has provided it all for me. Welcome back to my channel, lovelies, and I love you. So today's hairstyle, I call it Fulani's protective hairstyle. That's my own title. Don't mind me. So yeah, the hairstyle is simple. As you can see, I already rubber band my baby's hair behind the camera to save time. And I love rubber banding her hair because it's old as cap for me. It doesn't make her feel pain when I'm braiding her hair. So as you can see, I always braid my own threading, okay, before I start threading. I braided it a few steps down, like 3 steps down, then I started threading it. I am using 10 strands for the extension, and I'm using 3 strands to thread. So as you can see, I've started. If you watch the second one I'll be showing, you will see how I form the round ball up there. You know, there's a way they create the round ball at the beginning to hold the hair down. So keep watching, and if you've been seeing my video, you will see that this particular threading, I've dropped about 2 tutorials about this particular one at the tip. Okay, so keep watching. I love you all. God bless you. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. We love you. Please do subscribe, help us grow. Thank you so much. Please do like, comment, and also share. My baby is just 2 years old, and she's always here to showcase her beauty. To showcase her beautiful hair. So please do continue watching. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you. You know how much I love and appreciate you. May God replenish you and provide for you. Please don't forget to like, give a thumbs up. The more you like, the more my video gets out there. Comment and also share. Thank you so much, and I love you.
The days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more.
So here, take a close look at how I'm creating the ball up there. I pass the thread above the hair like that, yes, and I took it under exactly like that. Okay, you pass it above, you thread it a little bit down, then you pass the thread above it, just above it like this, yes, then beneath it that way. So that's the best way I can explain it, just to form the ball. The ball is for the hair to stand down. Okay, yes, that's just that. Keep watching. God bless you. Yeah, my happy baby is telling me how beautiful her hair is, even without saying it. He's saying my hair is beautiful. She loves making her hair, and you know, that's the reason why we actually created this channel. Yes, thank you for watching. I do hope you're enjoying what you're watching. Please give us a thumbs up, comment, and also share. Comment your thoughts. We love you. Please subscribe to our channel if this is your first time, and if you are watching this far, you are our real MVP. God bless you. We love you so much. Thank you so much. We are done, and here I secured the tip with a lighter, and we are done. This is our final look. Thank you. What do you think about the hairstyle? Please do comment your thoughts. Thank you. We love you. God bless you, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.